Kelsey, I can't wait to marry you today. You are my best friend, soulmate, dream girl, and the love of my life. I'm so glad that God brought you into my life. Our journey is only just beginning, and I'm so excited for you to be my wife and the mother of our child.
To my husband, today is our day. It's the day I've looked forward to as long as I can remember. How blessed we are that God has brought us together to make us husband and wife and start our forever journey together. It's such a special feeling to know that before our parents welcomed us into this world, God had already written in the stars that you and I would be here together on this day.
I am so proud and honored to be your husband. I will love you, our daughter, and future children, and Keely forever and always. Looking forward to seeing you at the altar. I love you. Charlie Scott.
While we have already experienced so many special days together, our journey is only just beginning. While today may feel like the best day of our lives, it is only the best day so far. The best days will continue when our babies are born.
God knew beforehand. He saw all of this before you did, before you ever knew one another. And in His way, we don't understand it. I don't think we'll ever understand it. He brought you together, and you saw in one another an attraction, and you began to vision together this day.
Kelsey, I love you and you are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and to inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and when it's an effort. I promise to cherish and to always hold you in the highest regard. These things I give to you today and all the days of our lives.
Scott, I love you and you are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and an effort. I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard. These things I give to you today and all the days of our life.
And it is my honor, it is my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife together. Scott, you can do what you've been waiting for 20 minutes. You may kiss your bride.
I am always and forever thankful of you. You're my best friend. I can probably never explain the love I have for you, but I want you to never forget I will always love you. I will always support you, and I will always be here for you. Thank you for being mine. Love always, your bride.